people? Well, according to Google, there are 7.4 billion people, estimated to be roughly 7.4 billion people as of March 2016. So there's roughly 7.4 billion people. So if the world were 100 people, 7 would attend college, 93 would not attend college. That means 93% of 7.4 billion would not attend college. So let's look at that number. 7.4 billion. Well, billion, we've got, let's make this a comma. It would look like this. Thousands, millions, billions. That's how many people are living in the world. So if we wanted to find, say, 1% of this, we could do times 0.01, and that will give us 74 with 6 zeros after it. We just move the decimal 2 times, and it would go right there, and it would be 74 million people. That's 1% of the world's population. So we take this 1%, and we can find any other percent very easily since we have 1%. So if you want to know how many people actually attend college, 74 million times 7, and that gives us 518 million do attend college. That's how many people go to college each year or in their lifetime in the world. How many people do not attend college? Well, 93%. So if we do 93 times 74 million, which would be 1%, 74, 6 zeros after it, that gives us 6,882,000,000 people who do not go to college. Thousands, millions, billions. That's how many people do not go to college, and that would be these people, and this is how many people do get to attend college. So if you get to attend college, you can consider yourself pretty lucky when you look at it worldwide. Let's look at one more statistic here. 77 have shelter, 23 do not. Okay, so that means it's roughly 77% of the world's population have somewhere to live, and roughly 23% do not have shelter when it's raining. So, or in snow or anything else. So remember, 1% was 74 million. So we can take our 1% and we can do times 23 to see how many people actually do not have shelter, and that'll give us 1,702,000,000 people, roughly, who have no shelter at all. Okay, so when you watch this video on if the world were 100 people, it's just trying to show you, because these numbers are really too big to grasp. It's really too hard to think about this number, but you can think about 100 pretty easily, right? It gives you some proportion to think about. Gives you some perspective.